Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy djTLM. You're watching djTLMtv, and I just wanted to give you a quick overview of the brand new SX3 by Pioneer DJ. So this is the third edition in Pioneer's SX line, and this is made specifically for Serato DJ Pro. Yes, Pro. The SX3 will not work with Serato DJ, so you will need that Pro version, and you need the latest version of Serato DJ Pro. So if you've seen the SX1 or SX2, this probably looks very familiar, but let's see what's new and different about the SX3.
So I have to admit that at first glance, I thought that the SX3 looked exactly the same as the SX2, and I thought that there actually was nothing different about it until I took a closer look. The SX3 builds on the core features of its popular predecessors to add 3 dedicated mic inputs, dual USB inputs, and built-in sound color effects. Other highlights include 16 backlit RGB pads with 11 performance modes, as well as dedicated Serato flip and key controls for Serato pitch and time DJ. Developed specifically for use with Serato software, the SX3 unlocks Serato DJ Pro and comes with free licenses for Serato Flip and Pitch and Time DJ in the box. The SX3 comes with dual USB ports. Now to me that is a major improvement over the SX2 because it makes for easy changeover, but also allows you to play back to back with another DJ. You could both have your laptops connected and you could both take 2 channels on the mixer and just have a blast with the controller. Now it also comes with 3 microphone inputs with 1 dedicated mic on the front, especially for the DJ. Now this could especially be useful for mobile DJs. You could use 2 of these microphones either for performers on stage or maybe for people in the crowd, or if you want to DJ with all 4 channels, you now still have a dedicated microphone on the front that you can use while you DJ. The special settings utility for the SX3 allows you to change the settings for the microphone inputs, and you could adjust the low cut, compression, and reverb for all microphones. That means that you could always have compression on the microphones that you hand out to your artists or to the crowd, and it's just great to have that set in advance. The SX3 also comes with the sound color effects, echo, filter, noise, and jet for all 4 channels. Now that's definitely an improvement from the SX, which only had the low pass, high pass filter. Now these are onboard effects, so even if you're using the SX3 just as a mixer and you connect 4 devices, you can still use those color effects on all channels. So I do feel that the improvements they made are very valuable improvements, but you would have to decide if they count for you. Overall, the SX is still a great controller from the first version to the second and now the third installment. I really like the size, I like the look. It is definitely still a very good controller.
So I hope you enjoyed this little overview of the Pioneer DDJ-SX3, and if you liked the video, make sure you give me a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and make sure you activate notifications. I'll be back soon with another video. Thanks for watching.